Chime Credit Builder doesn't charge traditional interest or monthly maintenance fees, and most of what you pay is actually money you move into your secured account rather than a service charge. By the end of this, you'll understand how Chime's fee structure really works, what costs are real, what costs are optional, and where people get confused about the actual price of building credit with it. Start with the basic structure. Chime Credit Builder is a secured credit building card linked to your Chime spending account. That means it does not work like a traditional credit card with borrowing limits and interest rates. Instead, you move money into a secured account, and that becomes your spending limit. Now look at the key cost structure. There is no annual fee and no interest charge because you are not borrowing money in the traditional sense. The main cost is the money you allocate into the secured credit builder account. That money is what you use for transactions, so it is not a fee, but it is still capital you need available. Next is how payments work. When you use the card, your purchases are paid using the money you already moved into the credit builder account. This means you are not carrying debt in the traditional sense, which eliminates interest costs. Now look at credit reporting. Chime reports your payment activity to credit bureaus based on your usage and repayment behavior. This is the core reason people use the product, building credit history through consistent reporting. Next is where people misunderstand costs. Some users assume there are hidden monthly fees because most credit cards have them. With Chime Credit Builder, that is not the case in normal use, because there is no subscription fee attached to the card itself. Now look at potential indirect costs. The main limitation is liquidity, meaning the money you move into the account is tied up for spending. If your budget is tight, that can feel like a cost even though it is technically your own money. Next is optional factors. Costs only appear indirectly if you overdraft your Chime spending account or use other Chime services that may have separate terms. But the Credit Builder feature itself is designed to avoid interest and fee structures. Now, the key reality. Chime Credit Builder is structured to remove traditional credit card costs entirely and replace them with a secured self-funded system that reports your activity to credit bureaus. To sum it up, there are no standard fees or interest charges, and your main cost is the money you choose to allocate into the secured account for spending and credit building. Next step is simple. Decide how much money you can comfortably keep allocated each month without disrupting your normal expenses, since that balance is what drives your credit activity. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more credit builder breakdowns, fintech app explanations, and simple guides that make credit tools easier to understand.